Welcome to Theory of the Universe. We're going to begin this video about the theory of the universe talking about ourselves, because our personal universes begin with our conscious experiences. All right, let's start with the heart. The heart is made up of tissue. Tissues are made up of cells, and cells are made up of atoms, and atoms are made up of even smaller particles. In fact, the smallest particles we know of, quarks and gluons. So basically, you have all these tiny subatomic particles that make up everything. Now, what is the current understanding of our universe? Well, we're here on Earth, and we've got all the other planets around us. And then we got our beautiful sun, and we're in the Milky Way galaxy. And this galaxy is amongst all these other galaxies, and man, we got this huge universe, and oh God, maybe it goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever, but wait, no, it doesn't. It doesn't go on forever and ever, because now we know our universe is finite. It has edges, boundaries, borders. And see, our universe, our specific universe, is a collection of galaxies, of clusters, of objects, potentially living, mostly, almost certainly not living, but that all make up a collective system. What's outside of our universe? Well, we currently believe this is our cute little finite universe here, and well, there very well might be other universes outside of our very own universe, and who knows, maybe they're bigger, smaller. I don't know what current understanding is of the dimensions or specifics of these universes, but we know we're almost certainly not alone. Not even within our own finite universe, but almost certainly not within the extended universe. So then we take that and we expand it, a fisheye point of view, and we see the world and the other universes outside of there. And what if they look a lot like this? What if some clusters are closer than others, and we begin to realize, wow, these kind of resemble quarks and gluons. And when we take a bigger fisheye view, they now begin to resemble atoms. And we take a bigger fisheye view, these clusters of universes resemble cells. And a bigger fisheye view, and these clusters resemble tissues. And then they resemble muscles and organs. And then they resemble skin, bones, ligaments, tendons, a brain, a conscious living experience. What if our system and the millions of layers of systems that make up the intricacies of our system are part of a bigger system that goes on and on and on forever and ever and has no end? What if we're just here to experience it? And that's been my theory of the universe.